Hey there! Welcome to our next session of the Valuation Analytics platform. I'm excited to guide you through the summary section and help you get the most out of our Algo and analytics. To begin, simply open the cloud window. The main window contains 4 workbooks such as Valuation Cycle Algo with Graphs, Sub-Allocation Algo with Graphs, Business Cycle Algo with Graphs, and lastly Global Valuation, Gold and Domestic Sectoral with Graphs. Each of these workbooks has its very own summary section. This means you can quickly get an overview and a bird's-eye view of all the worksheets under single summary section of each workbook. Let's dive into the sub-allocation workbook. When you open it, you'll see a layout that looks something like this. That gray highlighted box you see? It's the dedicated summary section of this workbook. Take your cursor over it, and a description box will appear. This description box gives you a content, or let's say what's inside the worksheet. Take a moment to read through it and understand what you are going to explore. Give your attention to this description box, which helps you to grab the key information. Time to dive in. Ready to explore further? Click on the summary section to enter the worksheet and start your analysis journey. Inside each worksheet, you'll find blue and yellow highlights at the top. Place the cursor over the blue one, and a description box will pop up, explaining essential features and chart readings for the graphical representation below each head. The yellow highlight is where the magic happens. It opens a drop-down box that allows you to pick the year and month you're interested in. This way, you can see analytics and specific actions for your chosen period. We have also provided a minimalistic action zone for advisors who want to perform minimalistic rebalancing, plus want to reduce tax outgo. Pay attention to the color-coded zones. Green means get overweight. Yellow stands for neutral or no action, and red signal stands for underweight. These zones help you make informed decisions. Finally, this is the overall view of the summary of sub-allocation algo. Click on this icon to go back to the menu page. In conclusion, you have learned how to leverage the summary section, customize your analytics selection with the help of a drop-down date menu through yellow highlights, and interpret action zones. Now, go ahead and use it more often for better grip. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. We look forward to seeing you in our next session.